In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription. If you need to change your current QuickBooks plan, the process is straightforward and you can do it directly from your account settings. Whether you want access to more advanced features or you're looking to move to a simpler plan that better fits your business needs, QuickBooks gives you the option to make that change in just a few steps. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings, which is the gear icon. This is where you'll find many of your account management options. From the Settings menu, go to Subscriptions and Billing. This section is where you can review your current plan details, manage billing settings, and make changes to your subscription. Before switching plans, it's a good idea to quickly check that your payment information is up to date. If needed, update your payment info here so there are no issues when the change is processed. Making sure your billing details are current can help the transition go smoothly. Once your payment information has been reviewed or updated, choose the option that matches what you want to do. If you want more features or a higher tier service, select Upgrade Your Plan. If you're trying to reduce costs or move to a plan with fewer features, select Downgrade Your Plan instead. After you choose your new plan direction, follow the on-screen steps to complete the switch. QuickBooks will guide you through the rest of the process, including confirming your selection and reviewing any changes related to billing or features. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so you understand what will change in your subscription before you finalize it. When everything looks correct, complete the process as prompted. Once the switch is finished, your account should reflect the updated subscription plan. And that's it. By going to Settings, opening Subscriptions and Billing, updating your payment information, and selecting either Upgrade Your Plan or Downgrade Your Plan, you can change your QuickBooks Online subscription quickly and easily. If you're managing your business finances regularly, choosing the right plan can make a big difference in both cost and functionality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.